Well, it was very much about the great potential for our relationship. One, about the very strong links between Croatia and Australia. This goes back to the 19th century, but we've seen a growing number of Croatians who obviously moved to Australia, particularly during the 1960s and 70s for various reasons, but have made a really great contribution to building Australia. And so there is a great fondness, I think, between our two nations, and particularly there is a great fondness from the diaspora, those who may have been born in Croatia and moved to Australia, or may have had parents or grandparents who came from Croatia. I know in my own case there's a great affinity, there's a great love for the homeland of my parents, and I know that's true for really hundreds of thousands of people in Australia.
You had the opportunity to meet business people from Croatia, those who have returned to Croatia. How could we overcome hurdles Croatian system is potential, but many projects aren't realized. So what can we do about that?
Well, look, the first thing is I'm not going to tell the Croatian government how they should do business, but what I would say is that we in the Australian government very much believe in freer trade right around the world. So we've opened up trade links with China, with Japan, with South Korea in recent times. We're hoping to do some similar things with the EU, and of course Croatia as part of that may well be an important player in that. So I would just say that obviously for a relatively small nation like Croatia, foreign investment is important, as it is in Australia. We need foreign capital to grow a lot of our businesses, to create jobs. I'm sure that will be the case for Croatia, where it's infrastructure in various places. So I'm very hopeful that over time that relationship can grow, that where there are barriers to trade and investment, that we can work through those and try and make it as open as possible, because I very much believe that when you do open up those links, that both countries can actually benefit. It's not a zero-sum game. Actually, there can be more jobs in Croatia, more jobs in Australia as a result of strong two-way trade.